Peru News Today, all you need to know about Peru.
Third hammer blow against COVID-19 has not yielded the expected results, says Pilar Mazzetti. The president of the COVID-19 Operations Command, Pilar Mazzetti, said on Tuesday that the extension of the state of emergency, among other measures taken by the executive in order to avoid more infections and deaths due to this infectious disease, has not given the results as expected. This third hammer blow, this third measure that has been taken has not given the results as we expected. We all wanted the slope of the cases to go down a little more, Mazzetti said in dialogue with Canal N. Likewise, he recognized that some health facilities exceed their capacity at night, despite the measures being taken, so that the health system does not collapse. Some nights we see that in establishments we are outnumbered, and it takes several hours for us to breathe again, to have ICU beds free. At night, our respiratory difficulties get worse, he said. I think we need to keep moving forward, and we health workers keep making an effort to go a little further. For some time there are establishments that exceed, then return to tranquility, and then exceed. This is risky. We are aiming to reach 1,000 ICU beds by the end of this month, he added. Regarding the increase in positive cases due to COVID-19, Mazzetti emphasized that it is due to various factors such as people's disobedience to comply with the quarantine. I think they are multiple factors. Probably some of the most important factors is that perhaps after 50 days people are tremendously stressed, financial problems, and are looking, without taking the necessary precautions, to move to other places. There are also those who do not respect quarantine, he explained. Regarding the situation in our country after May 10, the day that the state of emergency ends, Mazzetti explained that it will depend on the behavior of all citizens to avoid more cases of COVID-19. I think what will happen is going to depend on our behavior. Now we are going to know what we Peruvians are made of, where our responsibility and the love we have for the people who are by our side. I am reflecting a lot on this Sunday, which is Mother's Day, and we are going to hug her. We can pass the virus on to her. We have to reflect, she emphasized. This morning, President Martin Vizcarra affirmed that his government has taken the situation regarding the advance of the coronavirus, COVID-19, in Peru very seriously. However, he acknowledged that the efforts have not yielded the expected results. The results, if they have not been exactly what we expected, they have been auspicious depending on what has been avoided, which we have been able to avoid based on the effort of all Peruvians, said the 128th session of the Forum of the Agreement. National.
Visit at www.perunewstoday.com. Also follow on Facebook and Twitter.